news that's coming in at the moment. Samajwadi Party leader S.T. Hassan now sparks a big controversy. He makes a bizarre remark on the tragedy that struck the state of Uttarakhand. He's linked the tragedy with religious intolerance. Hassan said the calamity is because a particular religion is not respected. These are bizarre remarks coming in from a Samajwadi Party leader who has said calamity in the state of Uttarakhand has struck because a particular religion is not being respected.
उत्तराखंड में और हिमाचल प्रदेश में दूसरे के मजहब का कोई सम्मान नहीं हो रहा। और मैं तो कहता हूं कि किसी भी धार्मिक स्थल के ऊपर, चाहे वो दरगाह हो, मस्जिद हो या मंदिर हो, बुलडोजर नहीं चलना चाहिए, भले से आप खाली करा लें। इस दुनिया को चलाने वाला कोई और है, और जब उसका इंसाफ होता है तो फिर वो आदमी कहीं से भी अपने को नहीं बचा पाता।
My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on this story. Amit, a very, very bizarre statement which is coming in, and this statement has come in even as the rescue operations continue in the state of Uttarakhand.
Absolutely right, Aishwarya. Bizarre, shocking to say the least, because it's coming from a former parliamentarian who also represented the area which has a mixed population of the minority community as well as the Hindu community. So there's a religious diversity as well in the constituency which he had represented in the past. You know, the rescue operation is going on. We do not know the scale of devastation in terms of death tolls that has happened in Harshil, in Dharali, because of the tragedy that unfolded in Uttarkashi due to the cloud burst. And at that point in time, when the people, the relatives, are still looking and hoping for their loved ones to be safe and alive, there's a ex-parliamentarian who's saying that this is like a justice of the God. I'm sure no God on this, in the entirety of the universe would want human beings to be dead or to do justice in the manner that has unfolded in Dharali, in Harshil, in Uttarkashi of Uttarakhand. So this statement is not going to go down well. In fact, even Congress party parliamentarians are really critical of the comment that has been made by their allies, ex-MP. Back to you.
Thank you, Amit, giving us all those details. Bizarre statement coming in from a Samajwadi Party leader.